Camp Fundamentals number 1. God intertwined with basketball.
Today we're going to start with the right-handed layup and the insight method of learning. A right-handed layup is shot by putting the ball off the board while you leap off your left leg. So it's leap off the left leg and lay the ball right off the board. Now, take a moment just to put that in your brain and be able to say those words. You're going to leap off your left leg and set the ball off the board with your right hand. That is a right-handed layup. That's the traditional way, that's the main way to shoot it. There are other ways which we can talk about later. After the right-handed layup, we're going to back off the basket and dribble 1 or 2 dribbles and then shoot the layup. Then we'll go to mid-court, do the basic pivot, and dribble all the way to the basket and shoot the layup. We'll do this right-handed, and then we'll do it left-handed. Left-handed layup, you go off the right foot, lay the ball up with the left hand. And we're going to do the dribble. We'll come to half court, do the pivot, and also dribble all the way to the basket and shoot the left-handed layup. The right-handed layup has been shown off the left leg. Also dribbling from the free throw line extended to shoot the right-handed layup has been shown. Now we're going to go to the center court at the jump circle. At the jump circle, when you catch the ball, you can't just take off running in basketball. One foot has to be a spin or pivot foot, and the other foot is a free foot or a reach foot. The spin foot cannot come down before the ball leaves your hand. So we'll demonstrate that, but just take a minute to try to organize those thoughts. Picture yourself catching the ball at the jump circle, pivoting or spinning toward the basket you're going to go, using the reach foot or the free foot, and then dribble all the way to the basket to shoot the right-handed layup. The right-handed layup is the best percentage shot in the game, if you're right-handed especially. Left-handed layup if you're left-handed. But take a minute just to digest those thoughts. Get some insights such that your brain starts processing what your body's going to do. And take a minute to do that. Speak it to someone, write it down, but have insight to your brain be a primary spurring to get this action to happen. Let's assume this is the center jump circle. The ball's been tipped and you catch the ball. You can't just take off running. Here's the proper footwork at the jump circle. You catch the ball, you spin on one foot. This is called a pivot or spin foot. The other foot is a free foot or a reach foot. So you reach and dribble to the basket then and shoot the layup. The spin foot, pivot foot, cannot come back down before the ball leaves the hand. If you do, it's traveling. So here we go. We catch, spin, reach foot dribble, shoot the right-handed layup. The spin foot and the reach foot with the dribble is how to start the game at the jump circle once you catch the ball. Now we're going to talk about a left-handed layup. A left-handed layup is just the opposite of the right hand. The left-handed layup, you go off the right leg and shoot the ball with the left hand. Take a minute, use your insights to conjure in your brain what's just being said, put the ball in the left hand, stand on the right foot, and put the ball up there off the board. Take a minute to refresh that in your mind, get the thoughts. The reason for that is, if it's in your mind, you can go to the court by yourself and direct what you're doing. You'll know to use your right foot and left hand in terms of learning the left-handed layup. We're going to do just like we did the right-handed layup. We're going to, first of all, shoot the ball left-handed off the right leg. Then we're going to dribble from the free throw line. Then we'll dribble from the center court jump circle. Right foot, left hand. Right foot, left hand. Okay? Dribble. One more. Now we're going to do the pivot at the center jump circle, go into a left-handed dribble and left-handed layup. Remember, at the center jump circle, it's a spin foot or pivot foot, reach foot dribble to a left-handed layup. Okay, at the center jump circle, you catch the ball, spin on one foot, reach and dribble. At the center jump circle, you catch the ball, spin, reach foot dribble. Today we want to shoot a left-handed layup. Shooting a left-handed layup, you jump off the right leg. Sometimes when a person puts the ball in the left hand, especially if they're right-handed, it won't even sit in the hand. If that happens, bring the right hand, push the ball up to the board with both hands until finally the left hand will hold it, and then push the ball up there just left-handed. Once you've got the hand motion, you back up a little bit, put the right leg, lift the left leg while standing off the right, and push the ball up there left-handed. Do that several times. Once you have that, you back up one dribble, right leg, left hand. Once it's established, then you go out to the wing, dribble in from the wing, then go from the half court, dribble in from the half court. I'll see if I can't do that. And the half court. The wing is actually the free throw line extended. There's one good one. Okay, now we'll go from center court. Left hand dribble to left hand leg. Hits the ball, pivot, dribble. One more. Hits the ball, pivot, go.
Fundamentals in Workbook 1. Psalms 37:4. Visiting team, choosing end. Jump ball, tip-off. Whatever is learned right-handed to be learned left-handed and vice versa. Definition of traveling. Pivot, spin, push foot. Free, reach foot. Dribble. Vector, offense, invisible. Right-handed layup. Left-handed layup. Warm-up drill from jump circle. Catch the ball on the wing. Pivot and drive to the basket. Rocker step. Slow enough to be exact when then add speed. Vector defense. Dribble to change offense vector. Warm-up drill for dribbling. Is fulfillment about the truth of basketball being fulfilled to a certain extent? Is the days accompanied with devotions, prayer, reading scripture, worship, fellowship, and trust? Is there searching for insight continuing?